Alright, so let's look at this question, which is on coordinate geometry. Let's say I can do this proficient. So given that x-intercept of a line is twice its y-intercept, and that is it passes through the point of intersection of line, these two lines here. Find the equation of this. Okay, great. So I'm not too sure, but what I can tell you that is that the intercept here, this line doesn't, we don't really know whether it's a positive gradient or not. It could be positive sloping or not, but we're just going to draw it out. A line is, the x-intercept is twice, so essentially if this is the x-intercept here, okay, say this is a, okay, then this would just be 2 half a. So if this is a, this is the y-intercept, right? So y-intercept is here, then this is your x-intercept. Okay, then what you do is a, and this is 2a. So essentially x-intercept of a line is twice its y-intercept. So there you go. And the point, and that the line passes through the point of intersection between these two. Find the equation of this line. Okay, great. I think this is not too bad, I think. So the thing now is essentially the gradient of the line. We can actually find it, right? We could actually find it. So not bad, I think. So what we do is we just put 5y minus 3x equals to 5. I'm thinking that whether there are few equations that we can solve, because you could have a and 2a. It could be at the negative side as well, right? So it's 2. Yeah, it could also be, if it's negative, would it work? It could also be a and 2a here, right? So essentially you are talking about, if say this is b, this is 2b as well. So there are two ways of doing it. Can it be sloping positively twice? No, it doesn't. Okay, so it has to be negative sloping, because essentially if positive sloping would render, it won't work for positive sloping, because this is, if this is positive, then this is not twice of it, because positive, this is a negative value, so it cannot be a positive sloping one. It has to be a negative sloping one, right? So the gradient of this line is quite straightforward. The gradient here, the gradient will be rise over run is minus, this is a over 2a, so it's rise over run, so this is minus half. Shouldn't be an issue. I think it's okay. Similar with this one, this is also minus half, so the gradient is definitely here, negative half. Okay, so in any case, if you're confused with this kind of question, what you should do is just at least draw it out to see. Okay, so now we need to find the, we have the gradient already, so what we can do is we draw out the, we find the intersection point, right? So can I use okay, I'll just do this. So this is x equals to 3 minus 3y, then this is 1, this is 2, substitute 1 into 2, there'll be 4, y minus 3, 3 minus 3y equals to 5, 4y minus 9 plus 9y equals to 5. So that will be this case here. So this case will be 13y equals to 14. In this case here, what we get is actually y equals to 14 over 13. Then we have x equals to 3 minus 3, 14, 13. That will give us negative 3 over 13. So this line here will pass through this value here. Okay, so it's like, I'm not sure whether the line is bottom or top, but we could actually find it. So y, so gradient is negative half, passes through negative 3 over 13, y equals to 14 over 13. So what you can do is y equals mx plus c. Find out what's the c. Usually what I prefer to do is I'll just use y minus y1 equals to mx minus x1. Okay, this is what I prefer to do, because it's faster. I don't really need to find the equation of line. without finding the c. So it's minus half x minus 3/13. Key in calculator. There will be minus 3/26. There will be your answer there. There will be okay. So that's how I do this questionnaire proficiently. So if you have any questions or comments at all, please let us know and I'll see you in the next question.